Okay, this is Saturday out at Lake Higgins here. There's boats everywhere you see. I don't think I can raise this up far enough to get to all the boats that are down there. The rocking is because we're on a boat. Whew, my feet is hot. My feet are hot. Let me zoom back in. Alright, I'm trying to get it steady here. Sorry, folks. There. See boats everywhere. This is the slow spot over here. You're on YouTube. Retirement 2024. I need bikinis. That was kind of funny. I want to show the people on our boat. Oh, there's more people coming in. It's getting later in the day now. It's like 2, almost 3 o'clock. Let's get this boat. Nice Harris. He was out here last week. Last Saturday. That's what I do, is drive out. One comes out, 2 come in. A little crowded around here. It's better than Jobby Nooner. Except for the naked women. Jobby Nooner in Lake St. Clair. This is pretty crazy out here. That might be a little bit crazier than Jobby Nooner. I'll give him that. Other guy's got Lawrence inside that Tahoe boat. I got Lawrence too. I don't have a cover for it though. I wish I did. My old Lawrence had a cover, but this one doesn't have a cover. Wasn't recording. Thought it was. I must have pushed the pause button. I can't make more videos out in the summer or in the winter because I can't go to Florida this year because I didn't make any money off my videos. Thought I'd make some money off videos, and the stock market hasn't been great, so it's been good but not great. So I can't do the winter videos down in Gulf Shores, which are a real cool area. So unless I get more likes and subscriptions, a lot more, I can't really do this. So this video might come out until the fall or winter, because I can't really go anywhere this year. I wanted to go to Jamaica and Hawaii, but I can't afford to do that either. So unless I get more support on my channel. I know my videos aren't the best because I don't have anybody to do video or making my videos better. I'm not good at that stuff, so this is all I got. So if you like my videos, please like and subscribe to them. If you don't like them, like and subscribe anyways. Let's scroll. more this way. Here we got a dancing lady over here. She's there, a heavy setter, pregnant woman too. Hey Lily. A Barletta too. It's like my boat. Barletta's a good brand of boat. We got a Aries area 24-foot tri-tune with a 200 horse motor. Love the boat. I've had no issues with it. Thank God. I don't want to say too much about it. I don't want to have any issues, but thank you, Lord God Almighty, for not letting me have any video or any troubles with my boat. Our boat. Mine and Kathy's. And make sure I say that. Alright, please like and subscribe. I'll leave it right there then. Thank you.